Now we are going to create some bullet lists. So we have a few tags that we can use to create bullet lists for. For example, the first one is the line starting with guilt, inadequacy and stress. So select all these three lines, and on the Home tab, on the paragraph group, you will see that we have the option to create bullet points or numbered lists or a combination of both. Now click on the drop-down menu and we have to use this little arrow for our bullet point. So select that. If you are done, scroll down a little bit on the document. We also need to create bullet lists for the text just below why we procrastinate and above what to look out for. So select all the lines in here and again choose the drop-down menu and select the little arrow. And the last set of bullet points that we're going to create is the text under what to do about it, which is on the second page. So scroll down, and the one that starts with action. So we're not going to select the first line, we're going to start the selection from the second line, and we're going to select everything after that. And again, click on the drop-down menu and select the arrow for our bullet point. Next, we are going to insert an image into our document. So go back to the top of the document, and we have to insert an image next to these three bullet points on the topic of stress. So click on the Insert tab and select Clip Art and then search for stress. When you find an image that you like, you can just click in the middle of the image and it will insert it into your Word document. Now we see that this image is way too big, so we have to make this one a bit smaller. So you can easily resize the image using the corners of the image. Now we want to insert it next to our bullet points, but to make sure that it fits better with the text, I'm going to change the wrap text option to tight. So click on wrap text, drop down menu and select tight. With this you can move the image next to the bullet point, just like so. Now we are going to scroll down to our document and find our last bullet points. Just gonna close Clip Art, we're not gonna use it for a while. Now we have quite a lot of text in our bullet points, and what I'm gonna do now is to find keywords for each bullet point and make them bold. This way our readers, if someone is reading our assignment or document, they can find the important points very quickly. So read through each of these bullet points and make the text bold that you think are important. It should be just 1 or 2 keywords per bullet point. So something like this: action, plan, overview, smaller tasks, time, effective time, reward, and honest. Now our last bullet point shouldn't actually be a bullet point, it should just be a normal text. But sometimes when you make a mistake and you include text in a bullet point that shouldn't be there, what you can do is just click on the bulleted list again, and this will reset the text to normal.